the problem we're addressing here today is that you have an unprofessional email account like ali.liaquat.rajput or having some fancy name, and you want to convert it into something simple such as liaquat.ali@gmail.com. So now the basic problem is that any emails that end with @gmail.com cannot be changed. So this is your username, ends with @gmail.com, so this cannot be changed. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. The simple solution is that you can create a new email account with a simple and professional name. And then what we will do is we will link two accounts together. By linking, I mean that all the emails that would be sent to ali.liaquat.rajput@gmail.com will be automatically forwarded to your new email accounts. So you don't have to worry about changing this email account in any admission forms or in any websites. Simply use your new email account and all the previous emails that are being sent to this account will be forwarded to your new email account. So let's do this. Here, wait a minute. One more thing, if you don't want to create a new email account and use a previous, for example, you have another email account, for example, ali.liaquat@gmail.com, and you want to connect this account with this account, you don't want to create a new account, then that can also be done, and I'll show you how that can be done in the end of this video. So first of all, let's see how we can connect a new email account to a previously created email account. Okay. So head to any web browser, type in the search bar, create Google account, and hit the enter button. Now you will get this website named accounts.google.com sign up. Click on it, and this will take you to the sign up page. So here is the sign up page. You can enter your first name. First name is usually the name that you are called by most frequently, such as mine is Ahmed, and then you will enter your last name. So basically your last name is your family name. For me, this is Solahri. So now you need to select your username and be careful. Select a simple and professional username. For example, for me, it could be simple as ahmed.solahri, and you can use any type of name, but try to keep it simple and as short as possible. Now enter your password, confirm your password, and click on the next button. This will take you to the next page where they will ask you about some optional information, some information about your gender, your date of birth. You can fill that information easily and then click on the next button. And you can also add your recovery email address and something simple as that. So I've already created my email address. So after creation, it would look something like this. This is my newly created email address, and go to this grid and select the Gmail option. It will open your newly created Gmail account. It will ask you to do some tutorials, to do some settings, upload your profile picture. You can skip that for later times. So now I have a newly created email account. So now what we need to do, we need to connect this account with our old account. So what we will do is we will head back to our previous Gmail account that we were using. For example, for me, this is, let me see, this is this one. So this is my old account. Now I want to connect this account to my new account. So this is my new account. So what I will do is click on the settings option and then the settings button. This will give me the settings tab. So this is my settings tab. Go to forwarding and POP. Forget about that. Just click on forwarding, and now you will click on add a forwarding email. So in this box, the email that you type will be the email to whom all your previous, not the previous, all your new emails will be forwarded. So for me, this was ahmed.solari@gmail.com. So all the emails that are sent to my old email address, such as this one that I was using previously, will now be forwarded to this new email address, ahmed.solari@gmail.com. After that, click on the next button and it will send you a verification code to this newly created email address or the email address that you choose to enter in this bar. So you can create a new email address and use that, or you can use a previously created email address for this purpose. Now it is asking me to select proceed or to cancel. I'll click proceed. and it is saying that a verification code has been sent to this new email address or this email address. You can type in the verification code in this box here. So let me go to my previous newly created email. So here is my email address and this is my verification code. So I'll just simply copy this and paste it in this box here. Oh, oops, let me correct that. Let me delete that confirmation code and let me delete that text first. So now this is my verification code. I'll click on verify and voila, my email address has been verified. Now, two last things you need to do now is to refresh your browser. Click on the refresh. Now it will refresh. So after refreshing, what you need to do is you need to click on this checkbox. Okay, so now all your emails will be forwarded to this new email address, and now you can decide what will happen to the emails that are sent to your old email address. For example, this is my old email address, so all the emails that are sent to my old email address will now be forwarded to my new email address. But what happens to the copy of the email that is sent to my old email address? Well, you can choose what happens to it through these different options. I recommend using the second option, marking the Gmail's copy as read. Now simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. This will save your changes. So now we can see how this is working. So let me go to my another email address. I'll compose a new email. So I will send this new email to my old email address that we have now connected to our new account. So I'm writing m.ahmed.rwb@gmail.com. So this is my old email address. So I have now linked it to my new email address. So let's see what happens. So now I'll add in a good subject. Let's say forwarding or testing forwarding email. So let's write something in the body. Let's say hi, uh, hello. Let's just write hello world. And I'm gonna hit send. So the email has been sent. So let's go check it in our old account first. So let me first show you. So as you can see clearly that I have sent this email from this account bcsf17m048 to my old email account m.ahmed.r. So what will happen to this email? So let's go and see. So this is the email address that I linked it. So here you can see the email, open it. So you can see that BCSF17 has sent this email to m.ahmed.r.wb, but that is not the email address for this mail. But that mail has been automatically forwarded to my account. See, I'm logged in with ahmed.salahri, but the email has been automatically forwarded to me. So now you don't need to worry about your old email address. You can simply use your new email address and go on with it. So all the emails will be continuously forwarded to your new email address. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment box. And thanks for watching. You can share this with your other fellows and help them too. Okay, goodbye.